entry-level remote jobs that don't involve micromanaging. Hey there, let's talk about something that's been on the minds of many people hunting for remote work. Entry-level jobs where you can thrive without someone constantly breathing down your neck. Sounds dreamy, right? Well, it's not just a dream, it's reality. Let's dive into some top entry-level remote roles, specific companies offering them, and why they're perfect for independent workers. SAW 1. Virtual Customer Support. If you enjoy solving problems and talking to people, customer support is an excellent starting point. And the best part? Many companies trust you to handle your daily tasks without hovering managers. Companies like Zapier and GitHub hire customer support reps and are known for their async-friendly cultures. You'll often work in a queue system or through email and chat support. That means no one is monitoring your every move. You just need to meet the team's goals. 2. Data entry specialists. Data entry might not sound glamorous, but it's a great option for building remote experience. Many companies that hire for this role give you specific tasks and deadlines, then let you work at your own pace. One standout? Mod Squad, a company that hires data entry specialists and moderators for social media and forums. They're all about flexible schedules and trust you to get the job done independently. 3. Freelance writing. If you've got a knack for words, freelance writing could be your golden ticket. Content creation companies like Compose.ly and TextBroker regularly hire entry-level writers. Here you'll receive assignments, write them in your style, and submit them for review. Your work speaks for itself. No micromanaging required. 4. Online teaching or tutoring. Love helping others learn? Online education is booming, and companies like VIPKid and OutSchool are leading the charge. While there are lesson plans to follow, you're often in control of how you teach during your sessions. Just show up prepared and ready to inspire your students. 5. Remote marketing assistant. Starting a career in digital marketing doesn't have to mean being babysat. Many remote marketing assistant roles offer flexibility to create social media posts, handle email campaigns, and analyze performance metrics on your own schedule. Look into opportunities at Hootsuite or Buffer, both known for their flexible and employee-focused remote work policies. Entry-level tech support. You don't need to be a coding wizard to support. Companies like Apple and Automatic hire people with basic techno computers. 7. Transcription and captioning. For those who are detail-oriented and fast at typing, transcription can be a great choice. Companies like Transcript let you pick your assignments, set your schedule, and work without micromanagement. 8. Sales Development Representatives, DR. Sales roles might sound intense, but as an SDR, you're often measured by results, not how you spend every second of your day. Companies like TopTal and HubSpot frequently hire entry-level SDRs and provide plenty of autonomy as you learn the ropes. Final thoughts. Remember, the key to finding remote jobs that don't involve micromanaging is to focus on companies with flexible, asynchronous cultures. These businesses understand that their employees thrive when trusted to deliver great results without constant oversight. So, if you're ready to start your remote work journey, check out these companies and roles. They might just be the first step toward your dream career. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on finding the perfect remote job. See you in the next video.